So when you're not in her office, okay. So this is the thing. They give a directive that 7 doesn't exist anymore. So that they should amend it, change it, it doesn't exist. I still play to that 740 law.
Yes, it was an error.
It's not an error, big error. So I want them to correct
that. That was one of the motions we asked. That your page should be set aside.
That's correct.
It has not been had.
Yes. Some of the errors and mistakes in
that judgment.
The judgment.
And the reason why you should give you a closer date.
Absolutely.
A closer date to get the motion.
Yeah, only on these
are the things that you listed. The fundamental error.
It's none of the main judgment. It's on page 22, page 25, page 26, page 27. The main thing of what I've has now repealed laws and not found any prosecution. They still remitted back repealed laws to the High Court.
For the Federal High Court to correct it?
It's true. To correct it. But they have not corrected it. So I had to come back here.
For them to correct it?
Yes, they didn't correct it because it's an error on the face of the record.
And there are some directives were hanging. And it was not compliant.
Yes, especially with Camp 7.
And that was the reason why it's need to be clear.
Absolutely.
Why it should
I need to know because how could their judgment they said that Camp 7 does not